What does 2021 hold for you strategically? Big year overall. You announced this Inphi deal for about $10 billion, which is huge. How is 2021 different than 2020 from a strategic standpoint?
Sure. Thanks, John, and happy holidays to you and the whole team over at CNBC. We're very excited about 2021. As you noted, we ended the year with a lot of strong momentum, including being added to the NASDAQ 100, which was a huge honor for our company. When we look out to 2021, I think there's just a tremendous tailwind overall for the semiconductor industry, and for Marvell specifically. You can see the activity on 5G spectrum and licenses that's going on right now. These numbers are astronomical in terms of what the spectrum is going for in the United States. You've got cloud computing, which I think is set to have a very strong first half of the year. And then finally, the automotive sector has rebounded very strongly. Those are Marvell's three focus areas, and I think we're extremely well positioned for 2021, obviously with Inphi layering in later in the year once we can close that transaction.
Matt, one potential big sea change in semiconductors is this move by many powerful companies to double down on ARM technology and build their own solutions that they used to go outside to names like Intel for. Now, I know you're not in that exact corner of semiconductors, but does that trend affect Marvell at all, and if so, how?
Yeah, no, John, actually, it's a huge opportunity for us. And I was watching earlier when Joanna was speaking. And so on the consumer side, clearly ARM has had a very strong position traditionally in mobile phones and now some of these laptop applications. But what you may not know is that Marvell is probably the most important partner of ARM in the data infrastructure market. So applications like 5G chipsets for the base stations, enterprise networking, cloud computing. Marvell is a designer and a leading supplier of high-end microprocessor technology based on ARM for the infrastructure. And as it relates to the large system OEMs designing their own chips, this is a huge opportunity for us because absent only a few companies, Apple being one, when you hear a system OEM talk about doing their own custom chips, almost every one of those needs a silicon partner with the process technology platform, the packaging capability, and the advanced IP to go actually put the chips together, manufacture them, and ship them in high volume. So we're seeing a huge uptrend in our business in that area, which we refer to as our ASIC business or custom chip business. And we did some very important announcements in the last few months around our 5-nanometer platform, which, as you can imagine, is being very well received by 5G companies, cloud OEMs, enterprise customers, as well as in automotive.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.